Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. Today's lesson, I'll be breaking down 3 epic bassline interlude you can use for transition between songs. If you want to stand out on your worship play, I recommend you watch this lesson. If you're also new here, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video and share this video to your friends. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So before I start the breakdown, some of you might be asking what that interlude means when it comes to the bass guitar. At the start of the video, you saw me playing an interlude at the end of the song when I'm about to start the second verse of the song. So I'll just say it's just like a passage that connects you to 2 songs. Let's say we have song A and now we are singing the song A to come to an end to start the song B, and maybe you want to play something to help you start the song B. You can also use that interlude on the same song, just like maybe the verse 1, then take it to the next verse, that's the same verse. Between it, then you can apply the interlude bass line, you know. So now let's check out the first one. Okay, so 5, 7, da da da. So you play 5, 2, 1, 7, da da 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 4, 6, 2. 3, 4, 3, 2, 7, 1 sharp, 3, 1 sharp, 2, 2, 6, 2, 5, 2, 5. This is where you play the interlude. So it goes like this. B, G, Y, A, E. So now you started from the 4. So B, G, Y, 5, 4, 6, 2, 5, 1. So that's the progression. So 4, you'll be going to your 6. Now to your 2. So you play 7, 1 sharp 2, or you can play 7, 1, 2. So it is 2 options on the 2. 7, 1 sharp 2, or 7, 1, 2. Then now to the 5 progression. 3, 4, 6, 5, 5, 1. B, G, Y, A, E. Oh. So now let's look at the second interlude bass line, okay? So now you're going to the 6. Just like the first one, you went to the 4. Now you're going to the 6. It's somehow confusing, but if you get a concept of it, you can use it. So B, G, Y, A, E. 5, 1, 7, 6. Your first target. So when you learn this, now to the second one. That is to the 2 progression. That is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Then to the 5 progression. 3, 4, 6, 5, 5. Oh, yeah, me. Then you continue. So now let's move to the third one. B, G, Y, A, 4, 3, 2, 5. So that 4, 3, 2, 5 alone and I was playing that. Okay, this was how I did it. B, G, 5. Okay, so 5, 2, 4, 5, 1, then 1, 4. Then I descended from the 4 to the 3, 2, and to the 5 progression. 4, 4, 1, 3, then to the 2. So this is what I played. 7, 6, 5, 3, 2. Then to the 5 progression. 3, 4, 6, 5. B, G, Y, E. 2, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 1. Just like when the bass line is ending, it is ending on the 1 straight. So if any song you have to play, something like let me mix this song and mix a different song. B, G, Y, E. Something like that. So the first one was 4, 6, then to your 2, then to your 5. The second one was 6, 2, then to your 5 progression. And the third one was 4, 3, 2, and to your 5 progression. I will see you guys later in the next video. Bye for now.